Wardrobe Warrior is going to show you how to get a wardrobe into this bag. I took out of this bag just to get ready for filming in this very cold flat, so you're not going to see a lot of glamorous outfits because it's muy frío, because there's no heating and no electricity. I took out of this very small bag one mid-length dress, one pair of trousers, one skirt, one top, one cardigan, 2 pairs of knickers, 2 pairs of socks, and a bra, a fresh bra, all fitted into this bag. No, don't believe me? I took them out of this bag. I will show you how to fold them all up so it can go back in. There are several ways to do that, and I'm going to show you both. The first way I'm going to show you to pack everything into this small bag is called a bindle, because a bindle basically means a bundle. It's the old way of saying a bundle, and what you would do is put all your clothes into one bit of fabric and tie them over. I may even go and show you how to make an actual bindle, but that is basically what a bindle is. And if you've seen the pictures of Dick Whittington with his stick, that's what he has. The bindle is the bundle of clothes that he is carrying, and that's all his clothes, all folded up cleverly. So I'm going to show you how to do the one pack bindle. I'm here on the floor, and I may have to go into voiceover because you will need to see what I'm doing. To start off, placement is key, and what you need to do is to put your biggest items down first, and I will show you how to place them. Okay? We may end up going on voiceover, so if I suddenly go silent and I go into this weird voiceover, it's because I want you actually to see what I'm doing. So the first thing, and its placement is key, is you put the biggest layer down first, and then you put the solid layers. So it's biggest and most firm, because they are going to be making the bindle. So dress first, okay? And the thing is, it's best that you make them into a square. So I'm going to fold in the arm, fold in the skirt, okay? Folding it into the middle, folding it into the middle. I want to make this as small as possible. Okay, we have the square here. Next is the jeans. Get the jeans, fold them in half. Lay them across the middle, because this is what's going to make the solid bit. This is your middle, this is your base. That's going there. Skirt. Get your skirt. It's a pencil skirt, so it's not that wide. Pop that there. What we're making is a T-shape because we're going to fold things across each other. These are your softest layers, so we're going to get the T-shirt, this long sleeve top, put the arms out. Arms out is important for the moment, so the arms out. Cardigan. Just for the fun of it, I'm going to do it like that. There we go. it doesn't make a lot of difference. I just fancy doing it like that. There you go. Now, this is the heart. And so what do you put in your heart? What do you put closest to your body is you put your underwear. So you're going to get the underwear. You're going to put your bra on the smallest hook, fold it in half, get the end, tuck it like that, so it makes a cup. Obviously it's easier if you've got like these standing up bras, but the fact that this is going in the middle is important. Okay, gonna sit down. Ooh. Balling socks is cruel, says Marie, and I agree, because if you ball your socks, they take up too much room. This flat method, which I'll show you how to do, might not be in here, it might be on my bed. I will show you how to ball these up flat. Put them like that, 1, 2. These are knickers, and this is how you fold them up to make a display. So if this has a pattern and like a pretty bow, they look so cute. These are knickers. I'll show you how to roll them up this way as well. And this takes up so little room. Also fits in here. I'm just gonna go like that. There we go. Okay. So now we're ready for the hard bit. Now the hard bit is going to start. Arms. Get the arms over like that. You've got to make sure that this is pulled over. Whatever you do, this has got to be pulled over. Pulled right over, right over. Yep. Now we do it with this. Pull this right over, right over, right over. Because this is basically making the cradle of your bindle. Now once you've done that, get this loose arm, tuck it under, okay? We're tucking it under, okay? So this is already smaller. You can see that it's smaller than when it started, and I'm just going to make sure that it's smaller by that way. And you can see the actual microphone wire getting in the way. So I'm going to take this off my body and put this on the floor. Hopefully you'll still be able to hear me. Now we get the skirt. We fold the skirt up like that. 1, 2. Now, this is the hardest part of the bindle. You're like, what the hell do you do now? Get the arms of the dress. This is at the bottom. Fold it up, fold it up. If this dress had longer arms, it would be like that. You just do exactly the same. Fold that up like that. So now, you've got a bundle here. You've already got a bundle just occurring here. Now, the next bit is you're going to take this soft bit again and you're going to put it like that. Push it over. Yay, that's done. The next bit is you're going to get the skirt. I'm going to put the skirt over. And you're going to roll it so it's like that. See, now you've made a small. You see how small that bundle is? Push it down. Now, the jeans. The jeans are the hard bit because they're thick, but you can do it. Put the jeans here. Put the jeans like that. Jeans are done. Roll it. So the jeans flat, and we're going to pull it towards you. So here I am, and we're going to pull all this. I'll do this again with the jeans. Jeans are in half. You see it's all in one go there. It's all together, yeah? The jeans. Oh, folded it over. So this is why it was good to fold your jeans in half to start. The other way when you do it without jeans is easier, because I don't wear jeans, but I had to show you with jeans because most people wear jeans. I'm a weirdo and I don't wear them, and I just have these jeans for whenever I have to do something that someone says you need to have jeans and there's like no other way. So that's ready. Fold it once. Oh, you can see that's there. That's from your first fold. Now you're going to roll it again. Oh. But you're only going to go halfway. And the reason why you're going to go halfway is because you're going to tuck this in again, in and in. I'm going to show you again. Only halfway up the second go, halfway. Tuck this in again more, in a bit more. And now we're going to pull up this layer of your skirt here. This is what's going to make the bindle. Can you see? I'm going to turn it round so you can see. Okay, tuck this in, and we're having that. That is your pocket. Pull all the way this up, flip it, so you've got this here, so you've got the opening, hold it, this is where it can all go a bit wrong, and you just tuck, pull the outside one over it. This is why these had to be a square. Look at that. It's all in. Push. Now, you're going to see it go into a very small bag. All of those clothes. This is the bag. Look at that. It's probably even, this little bag is probably even too big. Or maybe not. I spoke too soon. But trust me, I got this all in this bag. It's because I'm doing it so. When I do it myself, I do it so quickly and fast, and it's like so small. It's now going to go into this very small Hufflepuff bag. All of those clothes, it's like when you buy them from the shop, you barely would even get the jeans in. But as you've seen, I've got an entire wardrobe in and underwear. I'm just going to get it in. I swear I got this out. All of this was in this bag and it was really loose. I'll just get this bag in. It doesn't want to play ball now. It's like, you took me out, I don't like it and cold. There we go. Yeah, I got this from a charity shop. Yes, I am a Hufflepuff, I'm afraid. But I don't care, Hufflepuffs are great. Much maligned. There we go. All. Okay. All in this small bag. That entire wardrobe. Look at that. I'm going to stand up. I can squash it in a bit more. And show you how small it is. Look at that. All of it in the bag. That's barely so small. And that's maybe about 3 or 4 days worth of clothes for a capsule wardrobe. All into your small, tiny little bag, your tiny bag like this. Imagine, I've gone on holidays with my mum, and my mum has had like massive suitcases bigger than me. And that's for like 4 weeks worth of clothes. And I've gone on the same cruise, and that's including my evening dresses, shoes, handbags. And I've got them all into like one small carry-on luggage. And my mum was like, how do you do it? This is how you do it. I have been Wardrobe Warrior. You have been watching how to do a bindle. Go with glamour.